Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy A12 through recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the combination to. As you can see, I do have one set, and I'm going to progress with this process as though I don't actually know it. To get started, we will need to forcibly shut off the device. As you probably know, if you try to turn it off normally like this, that won't work because it asks for a pattern to turn off the phone. What we need to do is hold the power key and volume down. Hold it and the device will turn off and then turn back on. You'll see the Samsung Galaxy writing on the screen. Keep holding, the logo will disappear, and once it disappears, switch to holding volume up. This will then take us to recovery mode. This is the only way you can actually access recovery mode, and you do need to hold it for longer than ever before. Let's start off by holding the power key and volume down. The device is right now completely locked. There's the Galaxy logo. Keep holding, it should disappear right about now. Let's switch to volume up. It turns back on, and this will take us to recovery mode in a second. From recovery mode, scroll down using the volume keys to wipe data factory reset, then confirm it with the power key. Again, select factory data reset, confirm it, and data wipe complete. Reboot system now is selected by default, so press the power key once more. The device will now reboot and take longer than normal to turn on, probably 5 to 10 minutes longer. That's because the resetting process is being done in the background even though you can't see anything on the screen. Once it's finished, we should be presented with the Android setup screen. As you can see now, the process is almost finished. From here you can set up your device however you like. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.